Welcome to Gideon Grammar Booklet Level 1R, where the student should complete 2 pages each day. In this book, the student will review key terms from part of Grammar Level 1. The key terms which will be reviewed are nouns, verbs, adjectives, pronouns, coordinating conjunctions, homophones, synonyms and antonyms, singular and plural nouns, simple subject, and complete predicate. First, we'll review nouns, verbs, and adjectives. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action word. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So here's an example. The happy kid smiled. Here, the word kid is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. What did the kid do? The kid smiled. So smiled is our verb since it is an action word. And lastly, happy is an adjective which describes the noun kid. Next, we'll review pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can replace a noun. The subject pronouns we have learned in this book are he, she, we, it, and they. The object pronouns we have learned are him, her, us, it, and them. Here's an example. A young boy cried, where a young boy is our complete subject. The complete subject is all of the words that tell who or what the sentence is about. So since we need a pronoun which will replace the complete subject, we look at our list of subject pronouns, and we choose the pronoun which describes a boy, which is the word he. So we replace the complete subject with the pronoun he, and we go from a young boy cried to a much simpler sentence, he cried. Notice that when we replace the subject with a pronoun, the meaning of the sentence does not change at all. Next, we will review coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is a connecting word placed between phrases or sentences. The coordinating conjunctions are and, but, and or. Here's an example. I like math, she likes science. You should use a coordinating conjunction to combine wordy sentences. So we have our first sentence, which is I like math. The second sentence is she likes science. If we combine both sentences with the coordinating conjunction and, we can create a sentence that flows much more nicely. We end up with the sentence, I like math, comma, and she likes reading, where the word and is our coordinating conjunction. Always remember to place a comma before the conjunction when combining two complete sentences. Next, we'll review homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word, but is usually different in meaning and/or spelling. Here's an example of a homophone with the words right and right. Both words sound the same, but they're also different in meaning and spelling. Now we'll be moving on to synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, where antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Here's an example. We'll begin with the original word small. A synonym of the word small could be the word little. Little has a similar meaning to the word small, which makes them synonyms. An antonym of the word small could be the word big, since it has an opposite meaning to small. So the words small and big would be antonyms. Next, we will review singular and plural nouns. A singular noun is a noun that means only one. A plural noun is a noun that means more than one. In this chart, you can see how several different words are made plural just by simply adding an S and sometimes an ES. Next, we have simple subject. A simple subject is the one word in a sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. Let's look at an example where we have the sentence, 10 little kids ran home. So we first need to ask ourselves, who or what is this sentence about? Well, it's about 10 little kids. Remember, though, that a simple subject is the one word in a sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. It's only one word. So let's take out any adjectives or describing words to narrow it down to only one word. So we take out the word 10 and the word little, which both describe the word kids. So we're left with the word kids, which is a simple subject. Next, we ask, what did the kids do? Well, the kids ran. So ran is our simple predicate, which is also just one word. So kids is our simple subject, and ran is our simple predicate. Lastly, we will review complete subject and predicate. A complete subject is all of the words in a sentence that tell who or what the sentence is about. A complete predicate is the verb and all other words which follow that end the sentence. Let's take a look at an example. 10 little kids ran home. First, we ask ourselves, who or what is this sentence about? Well, the sentence is about 10 little kids. So 10 little kids is our complete subject. Next, we ask, what did the subject do? Well, the subject ran home. So ran home is the complete predicate since it is the verb and all other words that end the sentence. So in this sentence, 10 little kids is the complete subject and ran home is the complete predicate.